Hi, welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect to Ethernet in Windows 10, and I'll guide you through each step to get your wired connection working smoothly. Step 1. Click on the search icon at the bottom left of your screen. This is where you can quickly find any settings or apps on your computer, and it helps us access the network settings easily. Step 2. Type Network Connections into the search bar and open it. This will take you directly to the window where all your network adapters, including Ethernet, are listed. Step 3. Find your Ethernet connection in the list, right-click on it, and select Disable. Disabling it temporarily can help reset the connection if there are any issues. Step 4. Right-click on the same Ethernet connection again and select Enable. This reactivates the connection and often solves minor connectivity problems automatically. Step 5. Right-click on Ethernet and select Properties. The Properties window lets you manage advanced settings like IP addresses and DNS, which are important for proper network communication. Step 6. Select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4, and click Properties. This is where we configure how your computer gets an IP address and communicates with the network. Step 7. Select Obtain an IP address automatically and Obtain DNS server address automatically. This ensures that your computer receives the correct network information from your router without needing manual input. Step 8. Click OK to save all the changes. This finalizes your setup and should get your Ethernet connection working smoothly. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.